Hey,
Hey,
last lesson today.
what?
I finished the last lesson today, chapter
Oh,
13.
yay.
Yeah.
That's good.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Doing good.
That's good.
I'm excited for this class to be over.
Me too. Yep.
That's a cute top you got on.
Oh, thank you.
Nice, yeah. Oh gosh. Mm.
So you were looking at week 11's quiz, right?
Yeah, we're supposed to. I was gonna ask you though about week 12, if that's okay.
Okay. Week
Uh,
12. We haven't gotten graded on that yet, have we?
no, we haven't, but I know I got one of these wrong.
Ooh.
I just didn't like finish the integral. I got like confused
Oh, yeah.
in a certain part, and I wanted to know how you did it. And I'm sure you did it correctly.
Oh, I don't. 12 took me so long to do.
I know,
Like,
right?
I spent several hours on
Yeah,
it.
yeah. Like I was so ah.
Yeah. Yeah. Um, which integral did you not finish? The last one?
It was actually so I didn't finish the last one, but I got like halfway through the number three, like the very first integral we did, and
Okay.
I just got confused on what to do after that. Like I got to the part where it's an integral of r squared square root of 4r squared plus 1.
Hmm. Okay. So
Or,
I got r squared of 4r squared plus 1.
see, that's probably what I messed up then, because that's what I was like I could do this if there was just an r there, and I just couldn't figure out where I went wrong.
Yeah. I I don't know. I think it's just an r in front. So, yeah.
Because after what did you do after that? Like if it was just an r, did you just because
I said that I did like use substitution, 4r squared plus 1, and then du was 8r dr.
yeah
And so when I did that, I got 4r squared plus 1 raised to the 3 halves over 12. And then I evaluated that from 0 to 1. Wait, why did I do it from 0 to 1?
because that was the
Oh,
yeah that was the integral.
yeah.
That's what I
Oh,
had.
okay.
Yeah,
All right. Yeah. So then I just integrated it for theta.
yeah, yeah.
So I ended up getting 5 square 1, and that times pi over 6.
Okay. Cool. I'm guessing I just somehow put an extra r in there. I think is what happened.
Yeah.
I don't know. Did we get? Did he grade us wrong for? Sorry, I'm jumping. For quiz, for week 11. Remember when
Hmm.
we all said like number three you couldn't do because it was like wrong. So what?
Oh, yeah, yeah. How like it had it switched. Like if you looked at the web page versus the print
Yeah,
friendly page, they had the D switched.
yeah. Okay. Did he mark us wrong for that? Because I didn't see that it was cool, like written right.
I'm looking at my quiz 11 right now, and he didn't mark me wrong, but that's because I switched it back to how it was supposed to be.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
I didn't I didn't do anything for that problem and you didn't take anything off.
Oh, really? Okay.
You didn't complete
I didn't even
problem
attempt
3?
it. I just wrote on there that it was impossible.
Oh, okay.
Could you send me your week 11, Jessica?
Yeah. Yeah, I missed well, I'll just send you what my marked up one so you can see what I missed.
Because I think I missed uh, ooh, I missed 4 and 8. I'm supposed to.
Okay, let's see. Gmail.
All night long, all night.
Hey, I might need you to move your webcam up so I can't see that T-shirt. There you go.
Don't worry, I'm not a huge football fan. It's just for Tennessee. It's just the state.
Yeah.
I honestly, I can't watch sports. My family, though, they're definitely, yeah, hardcore.
Are they still mad about Peyton Manning not getting a Heisman?
They're mad about
Everything?
yeah.
Been pretty bad down there lately.
Yeah, dude, it's been terrible. Absolutely terrible. Yeah, I hear about it like wow. Yeah. I'm for living here. I love this state and I want to settle here one day, but I get bored out of my mind watching other people throw a pigskin around.
So are we supposed to do something?
We're supposed to talk about life, actually. We're supposed to talk about
Do you feel like an old man now that you're 21? You can go do whatever you want?
so old, especially since I went out with a date for the first time with somebody younger than me. Or have gone out on a few dates with a girl that's younger than me, and I've never actually gone out with somebody that's younger than I am. So, it's actually, it really is different, though. I'll say that. It's weird. There's little things that you notice. It's like, oh, you're younger.
Okay, so I sent Sawyer, I sent you the quiz.
Oh, awesome. Oh, thank you. Yes.
Mm-hmm. Hmm. So on number 6 of quiz, week 11 quiz, what were you guys' bounds on numbers on the DRs?
I let my baby play with it. It's a little torn up.
Oh.
Let me actually go look at it. I'm not sure if I got that right or not.
So, like, the bounds for the integral, like, or the...
For
or what
number
the-
6? Yeah.
Yeah. So, region enclosed by positive x-axis and spiral 4 pi over 3, or 4th theta over 3, and then 0 theta 2 pi.
Yeah, that's what I have.
Uh-huh.
So your bounds should just be 0 to 4 theta thirds, and then 0 to 2 pi. RD,
Oh,
RD.
4 theta thirds. Oh, why did I think I had to put it in terms of pi? Okay.
So it's something like that shape there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know why yeah, that was a silly mistake.
You know what's crazy? I like totally. So do you guys ever get like worried when he says like set up but don't evaluate a certain people? You know, like I always get worried on how much I'm able to, like how much I should actually do. And
Mm-hmm.
but apparently I didn't even read it. And number 2, where it says set up but don't evaluate, I evaluated the entire integral. And like solved it all for some reason. And he like circles it on my quiz. He's like set up but don't evaluate. There's like a huge circle there. He like checked it right, like I got it right, but he's like don't, you didn't have to do that.
Mm.
So, have we decided when we're going to try to do this test?
So it's open until it closes Saturday, right?
Yes.
So like you could still do it on Saturday,
Yeah,
and it closes at like 11.
Yeah, if you guys want to do it Saturday, I can do that. I need to find somebody to cover my night shift.
Oh,
So you want to do it Saturday
I could do it.
night?
I could do it Friday or Saturday. Is Hayden? Let's see. Hayden's not on yet, is he?
No, he's texting.
Yeah, he's texting. I don't know if he knows that.
No. Okay, I'll.
Say, hey, bum.
I just sent him a text. I said, hey, get on the hangout.
How long did the chapter 12's quiz take you guys?
Wow.
A long time?
Yeah.
A long time.
Those were hard.
Yeah.
They were very hard.
I
Yeah.
didn't do the last ones. I was like, you know what? I'm done. This is just an hour apiece. No.
Yeah, it took a long time. Oh, I guess he didn't get the invite, so I'll send it again.
Excuses.
Yeah.
So what I was wondering is like, does it say, are we supposed to be trying to attempt it ourselves before
I
we
don't
show
know.
up?
It just says it says you can consult your group and notes. Like it just says, I'm pretty sure, hang on, it like just says on there you can consult your group and talk together.
Wait, we can look at our notes too?
Yeah, we might not be able to do that. I might have lied right there. Hang on, let me go look at it.
Okay, let me.
When I heard group, I just, for some reason, I was like thinking, oh yeah, everybody.
Because I feel like this might take us like 2 or 3 hours, like because we know there's going to be problems that we can't do, so Jessica's going to be like teaching us.
Well,
Right, that's how it's going to go. Some of it.
So it says this exam. Wait, hang on. No, that's exam 4. Lols. Wait, this is. Hang on.
What's up, guys?
Hey, thanks for joining us.
Yeah, I was gonna let you guys do all the work, and then I just come on at the end and get.
That's
the
my
answers.
plan with the test.
Exactly. That's how I want to do it.
Show up 40 minutes.
Oh man,
So
what are you guys working on right now?
Just so you guys.
we were just talking about the week 11 quiz, and then also about what we can do on the exam. For 4.
I got you. Okay.
Just so you all know, in the first thing that says exam 4, it says that this is individual and you cannot talk about this with anyone. But then the next thing it says exam 4, weeks 9 through 12, you may work in your groups and get help from the book and your summary pages. You cannot
Really?
test to discuss this test with or get help from tutors or anyone not in your class. It says no YouTube, Mathematica, computer, calculators that can do integrals or derivatives, or online resources. You must show your work and demonstrate that you personally understand the problem. Show how means show step by step how to get the correct answer. And then it just has a print-friendly version. And
So I don't know if you guys talked about that either, but the final we can take up until Friday. It opens Wednesday. We can take till Friday.
Okay.
Oh,
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Since when? Holy cow!
All my
It says that
class-
on the reminder. I was kind of
Yeah.
scrolling through what we had left, and
all the
it's-
campus classes go through Wednesday, so most of them don't even have finals opening till Wednesday.
yeah. So the final does. Yeah, it's not even open till Wednesday then.
Really? Because it says what?
Yeah. So if you go to week 14 and then go to final exam reminder, it says right there.
Oh, it's been updated since I last looked at it. It says that it's been updated since I last looked at it.
Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, it says.
Yeah, when I looked
Yeah.
at it, it said that it was due by the first due date. It was like I had to take it by Tuesday, and I was like, "Holy!"
Yeah.
Ah.
It's pretty
I would have missed it.
Yeah,
I would
I'd
not
have-
have looked.
sorry. Oh,
So wait, this says for exam weeks 9 through 12, no YouTube Mathematica computer calculators that can do integrals or derivatives.
Yes.
Does that mean we can't use the TI-36?
Yeah, I mean, technically, that's what it says.
That's what he told me like week 10 that he thought we were supposed to be doing for the whole class.
Okay.
And then
Yeah, that
like when I showed him the syllabus, he had never read the syllabus, which just says no graphing calculator. And then he was like, oh,
I mean, I can email him if you guys want me to, and be like, "Hey, I was just curious. Like, so can we not use the TI-36 on this exam 4, or is it just non-graphing calculators like usual?"
because I'm fine with that if the antiderivatives aren't retarded. Like
yeah, they aren't super complex.
I will do integrals. I have no problem with that if they're not horrible.
Right. But you know they will be. I mean, it's the final or exam 4. I mean, it's going to be. They're going to be difficult.
Well, lately, at least on this homework, I felt like they were, because the problems are so long already, at least the integrals were a lot easier.
Yeah, that's true. I guess.
I think this last 2 weeks I could do every one of them as long as I got the bounds right.
I got you.
But my biggest problem is remembering which surface integral to use or
Well, and that's what this
formulas.
week 12 quiz kicked my butt. So I thought, if we have some extra time, I might want to go over a couple of those things too. But yeah.
No, we're
Okay. Where's my week 11?
So are we thinking Saturday night?
Can nobody do it tomorrow?
I can do it tomorrow night.
I can do it, yeah, tomorrow or Saturday, whichever one.
I'm good either one.
If you guys want to take it Saturday, you just need to tell me because I need to get cracking on something running my shift.
Oh, are you free tomorrow then, Sawyer?
I am free tomorrow.
Oh, let's
Yeah.
do it tomorrow.
Well, yeah, let's just do it tomorrow. What time? Are we thinking afternoon, evening?
I have school until, well, actually, we get off early tomorrow.
Okay.
So I have school until like 2:30, 3 o'clock.
Okay.
So that's the earliest
So-
I could do it.
So I almost feel
Yeah.
like maybe I don't know, Hayden, if you teach in Rexburg, right, Jessica?
Yeah.
Hayden, could you just come to Rexburg and 3 of us do it together? Do you think that would help? Or do you think
Yeah,
Why
that might
not?
not be a bad idea. We could do that.
And just
I'll double check and see if I can. And then we could just Skype with Sawyer. Is that what you're thinking?
Yeah, because I just think like I was talking about this right when you were coming in. We know there's gonna be problems that we're stuck on that Jessica's faster than us, right?
Right.
I think this could take us a long time if she's trying to teach us a third of the test.
Right. Yeah. No, I got you. Yeah,
Try it.
that would definitely work. Yeah, I'll double check and make sure that I can come up. But yeah, I don't see any issue. What time are we thinking? Like 4, 5, 5 o'clock? I guess we got to remember that Sawyer's 2 hours behind us too.
I'm
Oh, yeah.
2 hours ahead of you.
Or ahead. Yeah. Sorry, ahead.
which is fine. I
do
can
these.
I can do any time, and I can stay up as late as I need to. I don't.
Wait, you're 2 hours ahead?
Yeah.
I'm. It's.
So it's 10:20.
Where I'm at. Yeah, 10:22.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so yeah, I don't care. Should we plan on like 5 then or something?
Sure. 5 o'clock.
Does that work for you, Brady?
That works fine for me.
Where do you guys want to eat?
There's
Yeah, where would be
little
somewhere that we
rooms all over the MC.
Skype? Yeah. Trying to think. Can we get a classroom somewhere? I don't know.
No,
Like,
I can. If we just meet in the MC, I know where a bunch of study rooms are that we can
okay,
make work.
sounds good.
Or we can just do a classroom in the STC. I know there's always empty stuff there.
Okay.
I realize
I should be done with work by like noon tomorrow, so I shouldn't have. Yeah, I could totally just come up right after work and do it. So shouldn't be a problem.
this exam is going to be after like just getting a B on the last exam. Like that already like boosted my grade a bit. You know what I mean? I was like, oh yeah, these exams really are.
Yeah, I've just if I can do pretty good on this test with all of us together, and then just pass the final, I'll be okay. I think.
We can figure out how to get an A on this.
Yeah. Oh yeah. If there shouldn't be any reason why we couldn't do it.
Not with if it's open notes and I have formulas, I can figure it out. And then so
Yeah.
Mhm.
Down.
so
Let's grab it.
are we gonna just use the TI 36 or
Oh. I don't know.
I'll email the teacher. I'll email the teacher, and I'll be that guy, and I'll just check, and I'll let
Yeah,
you.
double check with him. It kind of I don't know. It's kind of ridiculous, but I mean, he says what he says, and I guess we got to follow him. But
it just means it like these last tests, it took me almost 3 hours, so
yeah,
Mhm.
take a while.
this last quiz felt like it almost took that long.
Yeah, quiz week 11 was both of these. The last 2 quizzes have been tough for me, taking me forever. How to use Green's theorem?
Oh no, wait, I got. I haven't even looked. At least there are no more quizzes.
Yeah,
Well, thank you.
Yeah,
Do you all have all your homework done?
I do.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay. Were there on week 12's quiz on the very last problem, number 6?
Okay.
What did you guys get for the integral? Like for your answer?
Didn't do it.
Yeah, I had no idea on that one. That one, because I thought it was similar to like, I don't know, like what you're trying to do with the surface integral, but I don't know. I was getting some weird, wild answer. So I'm not even close. He marked the whole thing wrong. So all the work that I have down is wrong.
Oh, he's
Wait,
already
you have
graded.
graded?
He graded mine, yeah.
Mine's not graded.
Yours isn't graded yet. I must have been one of the first, I guess, because he like almost immediately graded mine. Like I submitted mine and like the next morning. So
I was actually planning on asking him to. I was gonna ask him to do some specific problems on paper for me and then email it to me. And so I'll ask him to do this problem as well in my email to him. And
Yeah.
then when he responds back, I'll email it to you guys. So you
Okay.
should out. Because I've done that actually a couple of times, and just so you know, he actually is really good at that. Like if you ask him for
like actually work out a problem.
yeah, he shows you like the steps pretty really all out and everything.
So here's a question: those first 2 with like the charts, aren't there like formulas? Those are formulas from the notes, right, or from the sections?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where are those formulas? Because I went back afterwards and tried to find them, and I could not find them for the life of me.
Aren't they in like, let's see.
Because they're not in week 12, right? Like they're in like, aren't they back a couple ones?
Yeah. I had them in week 11.
Okay.
And I feel like I also had them in another week.
You know what lesson that was it? Lesson 2, like double integral applications.
Yes, that was it.
Let me see if I can find them. Because those ones are super easy, but I missed a couple of them because I couldn't remember what the formulas were exactly.
Mm.
Are those formulas like, is it like dV equals FdA? Like those, like that's for volume. Mass would be dm equals, well, no, that's not it. Okay, those aren't the right ones. Hold on. Yeah, those are a pain. Jeez. Okay, yeah, I guess there's the formulas. Those are pretty easy then, I guess.
Show off. Show off.
I brought a cheerleader.
Oh, gee.
Who are they? Hi.
How old is he?
She is just
Oh,
almost.
she.
8 months.
Sorry, I'd probably
Yeah,
easier if I could. Yeah, I could feel it
You're
better.
good.
3 months. That's
8,
cool, man.
Just about 8.
Gotcha. Okay.
You guys going over week 12?
Yeah, I'm kind of looking at week 12 right now.
I don't have a grade, so I don't really know what to go over.
Right.
Yeah.
I forgot about it. I submitted it like 3 hours late, but I think I'll probably still get some grade for it or something.
Right.
Yeah,
Right.
the syllabus says that it's like 10% off for each day late that you do it. But I forgot about one quiz and submitted it the next morning, and I didn't get any docked points off of it.
Okay.
I got like just full credit.
I gotcha.
This one I submitted by midnight, and they're actually due at 11, and I didn't know that.
Oh.
I had one a couple weeks ago that was like 3 hours late. Who is that? Hi. Hi. Can you see somebody on the screen? Hi. Hi. Say hi. She is like, what is going on?
Okay. Well, I guess that was my only real questions about 12.
Maybe we'll have them graded before we meet tomorrow.
Yeah, and then we can talk about them. That'd be sweet.
Yeah.
Week 11's quiz corrections are due Saturday, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so Green's theorem. Does someone want to explain to me a little bit better than the notes what Green's theorem, like how to do Green's theorem? I don't know if anybody had 11 pulled out.
You're getting tired.
Green's theorem was on which problem on 11?
I'm sorry.
Oh, the
9 and 10, but 9's the one that I'm a little confused about.
So Green's theorem, like from what I understood, it was just you just do from F, you just do n dx plus md or minus. Is it minus? Yeah, minus mdy.
Okay. And that's basically all you have to do then, right?
And then you just do the double integral of that.
Okay. MDX. That's okay. So I guess that does simplify it pretty good then. Okay. Got 6, 7. Okay, yeah, those last two were really the only ones that kind of messed with me. but I mean, they're worth 13 points apiece. So that kind of, if you don't do those two, you kind of don't, doesn't matter what you get on the rest of it, I guess. Yeah.
I was like, man, I'm tired.
Brutal, man. Some of these are just worth so, I mean, they're worth half the quiz if you miss one problem. It's crazy.
Yep.
Mhm.
All right. Well, I guess that helps a little bit. Well, tomorrow at 5. Okay. And how long you guys think? 3 hours? Yeah, it's probably gonna take us 3, probably close to 3.
Yeah.
At least 2 for sure. I looked at it, it's long. I mean, it's like 14 questions or something.
Yeah, it's like it's yeah. Things.
I haven't even looked at it yet.
Is there, and there's no quiz associated with tonight, right? For week 12 or 13, I guess. 13.
I don't think there is.
I think we're all done with everything but the 2 tests.
Oh man, coming down to the wire.
Oh, I know the final is like 22% or something, whatever it is.
I think it's 18.
18. Okay.
Oh yeah, it's 18, and then the rest of the tests are worth 48. So basically, 50% of your grade is the 4 exams, and then another 18% is the final. So.
Yeah.
I did a bunch of math last night when I was freaking up super late doing homework, and I figured that if I can get a good grade on this, exam 4, which shouldn't have any issue getting good grades on it, and then can pass the final, I should be okay. Even though I haven't gotten good grades on anything else really. I've just kind of passed my exams and that was it. So
who is that? Do you have a favorite kind of drink or something, Jessica, that we can bring? Some cookies?
Oh, nah, it's all good. I like water.
Water? I can provide water. Don't need me to sneak in some Coke or anything?
Something to give you some energy. Well, yeah, any other questions, guys?
I'm good.
I guess I'll go back and go through Green's theorem, so get that figured out. So,
is there a difference between the divergence theorems and Gauss's theorems? Don't they say the same thing? You guys know?
No, I think they're aren't they?
What'd you say, Hayden?
Think they're the same thing?
You said divergence, and what was the other one?
Gauss's.
Gauss's. Yeah. I'm pretty sure they're the same, aren't they? Maybe not.
I don't. Gauss's is not ringing a bell with me right now.
No, Gauss's. I've used Gauss's in electronics before, and then I couldn't tell a difference between it and the divergence that we've been doing. Oh, I want to talk to.
Probably the same, but I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because so far I was just using Gauss's like I've seen it in the past, and it was working for me. And I was like, I hope this is the same thing, and I'm not mixing something up.
Yeah. A lot of the engineering guys that I talk to use that theorem. I haven't ever used it really, but they talk about it a bunch. I'm pretty sure it's the same thing. So.
Okay. Hi.
Okay, well, I'm gonna probably jump off and get back to doing some of my strengths and materials homework, but
oh, that sounds exciting.
yeah, it's super fun. But
did you have to do a Creative Works or anything?
No,
No.
What's that?
I had to present at the Creative Works conference tonight.
Oh, really? How'd that go?
It was okay, I think.
What'd you present?
A drone that auto levels.
Yeah, I haven't had to do anything like that yet. I don't know if that's because I'm online or what, because I've done mostly online stuff. But I'll be up there next semester, so
Alrighty. Well, we all good? Is Sawyer still with us?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
You're good, man. Do you have any questions, Sawyer? We just bail on Sawyer.
Smile and wave, boys. Smile and wave.
Yeah, we'll party without you tomorrow. Sorry, you're not invited.
I'm so yeah. Whatever.
You can't get a quick flight from Tennessee or whatever.
You guys are gonna be on campus, and I'm gonna be there this next semester, and all of a sudden there's just this and like hug you, like I love you guys. And you're gonna have no idea who it is, and then it's gonna be me.
I know who you are. What are you talking about?
Bristol?
What?
Did you ever go to Bristol?
I've driven through it, but no, I haven't been
Ever
there.
been to the night race?
No.
You really should.
There's.
I'm gonna jump off, guys.
All right. I will send the link to the video so you can submit the group thing.
Sounds good.
Thanks, Jessica.
Okay. See you guys later.
All right, bye.